Okay, like how was you feeling, bro? Feeling like the fool, right? Feeling fantastic. Which one would you be though? Mr. Fantastic, get the money like elastic.
Ain't had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip club. Jack girl, pretty face with a big hole.
What's poppin', Day Nation? It's your girl Dayla here, aka Miss Celeb. If you ain't gang, then you lame. What you saying? What you doing? And I'm back with another YouTube video. And today's YouTube video is a hair video, as you guys read from the title. I'm working with Sogoodhair today. Yeah, this beautiful wig, and believe it or not, this wig is straight out the box, honey. You see how it look? Straight out the freaking box. So you will see me installing it, and I'll show you guys how it looks straight out the box and all that. But all the hair details will be mentioned throughout the video, and they are all down below in the description bar. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, look down below in the description bar. I highly recommend it. Like this hair, I really like this hair. The hair is wonderful. The lace was good. Like, this is a perfect beginner friendly wig. Everything about this wig is just amazing to me. Like, I'm not lying. I don't get paid a lot of y'all. This wig is really a great wig. It's really beginner friendly, and it really minimizes the time of how long it takes you to do your wig. Because with this wig, the fake scalp, you don't have to do any bleaching, plucking. It also came pre-plucked. No bleaching, no plucking, no ball cap method. I still did it because I like to do that because it protects my edges, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Like, it really minimizes the time and all the products that you have to put in your head. Like, you just throw this wig on and walk out the door. And this wig was really pre-plucked, like really pre-plucked. I barely had to pluck it. I did a little extra plucking just because I wanted to, but it's really good. It also came with pre-cut baby hair, but I cut my own. I just do my own little extra thing. But if you're a beginner and you like to wear your wig straight out of the box, you lazy, this would be the perfect wig for you. So shop this wig. And if you guys like my lashes, these are my lashes on my site. I sell these. It's the Lash Style Lavish. Excuse them if they aren't all the way on, but yeah, this is the box this side to come in. Dayla's Dollhouse, and it's a magnetic, and it opens up and it's glitter inside. Lavish. And they are 25mm. I have 16mm, shorter lengths, 25mm, all that. My website is down below in the description bar. I sell lip gloss, lashes, bracelets, designer headbands, designer do-rags, a bunch of different little stuff, necklaces, chains, all that. So if you want to shop, go cop, or be nosy and just looking on site, then go down below, click the description down below and go shop. Because girl, these lashes like mink, soft, long, durable. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all see the video, and y'all can see how good this hair is for y'all self. So this is how it looks straight out the box, y'all. I took it straight out the box. This is this texture body wave straight out the box, honey, straight out the box. And it comes with the adjustable strap. Whew, I'm tired, I'm out of breath. 3 combs, comes with 2 combs on the side and then a comb in the back. And this is the fake scalp. Like, this is how the ball cap looks, and it has it. And it's already bleached, pre-plucked. So I'm gonna just throw it on my head and see how it would look. So I'm gonna take out my bunny. Now y'all see my cornrows. But let me show y'all, my hair has really grown, y'all. Like, if you've been subscribed to my channel for a long time, I used to be bald, baby. I used to be bald. But my hair is really growing. Like, sis, what? So yeah, let me break this back real quick. Okay, I don't even know how to put this wig on because I never put a wig on with an adjustable strap. So how do I put it on? Okay. So yeah. So this is it straight out the box. I'm trying to see what I want to do. Wait. Okay, so this is how the scalp looks. Like, say you part it, and that's how it looks. Y'all can't see. Hold on. Y'all see? So obviously from my first looks of it, this wig is really beginner friendly. If you're a beginner, then I would recommend this wig to you, because look at it. It has the ball cap, all that. You don't need to bleach, you don't need to pluck, you don't need to do none of that. This is some good ass hair. I'm taking pictures in this wig tomorrow. So as you guys can see, I did go ahead and do the ball cap method. And I only did the ball cap method because I want to protect my edges, not because I needed to, because with this wig you don't need to. But I still wanted to protect my edges, the little edges that I do have, because they're going back. Because I used to put on wigs and yank them off, and now I practice protecting my edges. So I'll take one of these just to clean off my head, because these are what I use on my face. But I just clean off my head with it because it gets all the makeup, all the dirt, all the oil, all that stuff. It works better than alcohol to me. Y'all see all that makeup? Yeah. Dirt, oil, all that. Everybody doesn't use this, but I think everyone should, because it protects your skin from the glue. Because I've been doing wigs on myself for a long time, and damn, this is the lace remover. I messed up. This is the lace remover, and it's really strong. This is what I meant to get. The skin protectant. I gotta start reading. That's strong, and I sprayed a lot. So the skin protectant really helps your skin. I've been doing wigs on myself for a long time, and putting that glue on your head, taking it off, put more glue on, is not good for your skin. It causes discoloration, and it's also caused me acne that is very hard for me to get rid of. So I don't want this to happen to you guys, so I really recommend getting a skin protectant. So I use Boho Active, and I use 3 layers, and I put it on the cap and my forehead, and I put it on the cap to help lay the cap down. Y'all see how the cap is like lifted? I'm gonna put it on there, spread it, and it's gonna lay the cap down. I just wanted to mention that I did use 3 layers of the Boho Active Glue. It looked like I only used 2 because I cut it out, but I used 3 layers and I let it dry clear. And now I'm pressing my lace onto my head and using the comb to really help melt the lace into the glue so it can stick better and give a better hold. take a little trip to zoom y'all out. I don't feel like bringing that ring like all the way to the bathroom, so I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna just sit y'all like this. And hope. Oh, it won't even focus. It won't even focus. Ooh, my lens dirty. I'm gonna wipe y'all with a coochie wipe. Cause I don't know where my lens wipes at. I don't got them on. I know I got some more, I just don't know what it is. But this works. Somebody just made an order on Shopify. Let's see what somebody bought. Some doll charms. So they bought some bracelets. See much better. It still won't focus though. Now it's focused. Okay. Clean my phone off with this. Cause that worked good. Clean your coochie and your phone. Let it sit for about a good 30 minutes just to make sure it's totally dry. Most people blow dry to speed up the process, but I don't feel like doing all that. So I'll be back in 30 minutes. So yeah, it's been like 30 minutes and now I'm just gonna do my baby hairs. And I don't really want to film it because I'm very bad at baby hairs. So first thing, I'm gonna put a chi, whatever, all in my head and brush it out just to give my hair some silk. It's nothing but a silk infusion. Just make the hair silky. that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really truly hope you enjoyed, and I will be doing more hair videos on my channel. I love the outcome of this hairstyle, and just comment down below your thoughts and how you think I did, and make sure you check out the description down below. Thanks for watching.